Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog with Shalane,
And Marcus.
and we're going to be cooking a fried perch and cod and also a homemade garlic butter shrimp pasta. So just stay tuned. We're going to go through everything for y'all and just have fun, and we're going to hook this up for y'all. All right, y'all, we got the perch here. This is the perch. Y'all see the piece of, what is it, a couple of 5 or 6 pieces. And then that go the cod right there, y'all. So y'all can see everything has been washed and clean. Make sure you always wash and clean all your meats.
And it's best to let perch and cod drain because it's a fish that's, it holds a lot of water, so always just let it sit and strain. So I normally make my own cornmeal, but today I wanted things to go a little faster, so I get Louisiana. It's a good cornmeal, nice. It's real good on your fish. Not too heavy in season because I always like to add my little own seasonings with this. You know, I put a little season on the fish. I don't put too much season on the fish, and I use this right here. So I'm gonna bust this open.
Basically what he's saying is he makes a homemade cornmeal. But today we use
Store-bought season.
right.
And I'm old school. I don't like to put my cornmeal in the pan and dip my fish in it. Just like to put all the cornmeal in the pan like that. Since my fish been sitting here draining the water, I like to put a little seasoning on the fish. So I put all the fish together. And fish can always be put together. You ain't gotta worry about contaminating anything because it's fish. So I've always put just a little seasoning that I like to use. And today I'm gonna use in this fish. Y'all see I put everything together. I'm not an individual seasoner. I'm using some seafood seasoning.
Right, that's the first thing.
So I'm dumping a little seafood seasoning on there. And it's not real. This is not a salty seasoning. It's a flavorful seasoning. It's not a salty seasoning.
Might be a little salty.
No, it's not salty at all. And just a little because the cornmeal is already seasoned. And I always dump some accent in pretty much anything I be frying up cooking. So we're gonna get that open. I'm just gonna sprinkle some accent over the fish. Like that. So, and I like to stir the fish with my hands, so I'm gonna do a wash. So now I'm gonna mix all that fish with that little seasoning all together. Just to get everything covered with the little seasonings that I added. Like that. Rest that all over the fish. And now I'm gonna take each piece of fish and just drop it in that cornmeal. You all can see. Just dropping it in the cornmeal. Because like I say, I don't like to put it in the pan and individually cornmeal it. It can all just be cornmeal together. It's all fish. When it come out your back end, it's all coming out the same way. Grind up.
And just to include some on like the mixing of the batter, like you see he putting it in a plastic bag. Some people use a clear plastic Ziploc bag, but they stuff in there that batter, they season everything, mix it up. But old school, yeah, a lot of people use this, a plastic bag. Just make sure your plastic bag's clean, of course, but a lot of people use plastic white bags. But you can use it in a bowl, You can use it in a Ziploc bag. You can use it in any, any type of pan or anything to mix your seasonings up. Some people like to do their stuff hands on and use their hands, like he did, and some people like to use, a bag and all of that stuff too. So whatever is up to you, as long as you get that seasoning on it.
Okay, we back on. So now you can see all that fish has gotten cornmeal, and I ain't got to individually do anything.
Look at
Check
that,
that out.
y'all.
Yeah, all that fish got cornmeal on it. So we gonna sit that to the side. Yeah, we gonna sit it to this side, and I'm gonna turn on my grease.
And this is the shrimp for the homemade garlic butter pasta that we're gonna make. But that's already been cleaned, pre-washed, everything.
So now I'm turning on my grease at a medium temperature. So the grease, that's the grease for my fish. This is the pot for my noodles. The water is already boiling. And this is the skillet that I'm gonna make my homemade sauce. So I'm gonna turn on this pot up front right here for my garlic butter sauce. And I'm using a stick and a half. So I'm gonna use my first stick of butter, half a stick of butter first, because that's what I want to drop my little goody stuff down up in there. Do that first. So come over here. Okay, now, so what I'm gonna be using to make my homemade garlic butter sauce for my noodles and my shrimp is gonna be a teaspoon of bouillon, better than bouillon, bell pepper, garlic. I already used the garlic, a clove of garlic myself, but you also can use minced garlic. Onions, a white onion, the white onion, chopped, and I grind it all up right here in my little grind. No, let me re-grab some more. As you all can see in my little grinder.
And y'all can get that grinder from Amazon. They got it on Amazon. I think it was probably like $20. So you can get it from Amazon.
So that's my little grinder. I also put a little ginger in there too. So I used a little minced ginger within that. So this is my butter over here melting, my little half a stick of butter, my first little stick of butter here melting. And it doesn't melt too. So now I'm gonna take the stuff that I grind up. No, not the stuff I grind up. I'm gonna take a little teaspoon of this better than bouillon. Just about that much. Dump that in there. I'm gonna stir that around in my butter to help flavor my butter. And then I'm gonna take my little goody stuff that I got all blended up here. The garlic, the ginger, the bell pepper, the onion, and I'm gonna just add it to that. And I'm doing a little cooking of it. That's so it can make that flavor burst up out of all that stuff that I blended up.
It's getting hot up in this kitchen, y'all. Just letting y'all know that. Hot.
It smells so good, though.
Yeah, I do. So just let me know if y'all got any questions. And this is the first cooking vlog, so just let us know if you got any questions or anything. And we're also If you want us to cook something, just shoot me an email. I'm gonna put everything down in my link. Here y'all my Instagram page, or I want to hit me up through there. Just so if y'all want us to cook something, we can go get it, cook it for you, hook it up, whatever. And hold on one second, gotta get back, y'all.
So now I'm gonna add a little accent to this, just a little, not a lot. Just for flavor. You use accent just to give you some flavor. I'll stir it already in. Just let that cook a little bit. Take my other little stick of butter, and I'm gonna drop that in there. I know you like that. That's a lot of butter, but it's gonna be real good. Because I still got to put shrimp in. I'm not seasoning the shrimp, and I'm not seasoning the noodles. So I still have to put the shrimp in, and that's enough for season to make all of that be seasoned. So, back on here. So I got my grease going for the fish. And I'm using angel hair noodles. I love angel hair noodles. It's just, you know, I don't like the thick spaghetti. So I like the angel hair noodles. So I'm gonna use some angel hair noodles. Break them in half. My water already boiling. Boom, boom. Break it in half. Bam. So now we got that cooking. So I got my noodles in the pot. I got my garlic butter here cooking. I'm gonna turn it down low because I don't want it to cook too fast and burn. We just want that to be a simmer. I'm gonna get these noodles just a stir to help them kind of break apart a little bit. Yeah, we'll let them do that. We're gonna let this do this over here. And that smells so good. Y'all ought to smell it. Tastes good too. Check your grease. Always do like that. Just do a little dab of water. So I'm over here in my fish bag. I'm gonna drop my first piece of perch into the skillet. Second little piece into the skillet. Third little piece. And now.
So how long should you let the fish cook for? About 10, 15 minutes?
You want the fish brown on each side. So you do it for about 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the other side. In a total of 20 minutes of like cooking the fish. You know.
Y'all hear that?
20 to 25 minutes to like cook the fish. It won't be too hard, you know what I'm saying? I don't like my fish hard. So about 20, 25 minutes, my first little batch of fish going down.
I heard that, so it's basically 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the other side. And medium-high heat, too.
Yeah. Medium high. You don't want to burn up your grease.
And that's for your perch.
Okay, everybody, so we're back. Now the perch fish, the first batch, is ready to come out. You see, you want your fish to have that good golden brown, crisp look. Like that. See that?
That look good, y'all.
I'm gonna set it over here on my napkin so it can drain, the oils drain.
That sounds pretty cool. Now, my hand shooting to the shed.
Put it on your house. So now we're about to take those strips that we cleaned earlier and we're gonna drop them into the sauce. Give them a stir. All get down up in that butter, that there butter. I got this on the low heat cooking. So we're gonna set a top on there to them cook a little bit. So now I done cook my noodles till they turn a little pink. Not too pink yet because I want to add my noodles in there.
How long did that take?
It took only about 5 minutes for the shrimp to turn pink.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna take some noodles. My noodles over here already got them strained and drained. I'm just gonna add them to the sauce. You know, see that? Add it all in there. Get it all mixed together. We got all that mixed together. We're just gonna let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes. Let it simmer for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna turn it off.
All right, this is some of the cod, y'all. Didn't forget about the cod. So we putting some of that up in there.
That's a piece of perch, but those over there is cod.
How long does the cod take?
Cod till it brown. Don't let it sit too long. About 15 minutes on both sides.
Yeah, I heard that cod is about 15 minutes on both sides. So
No,
basically,
15 minutes for both sides.
for both sides.
Yeah.
So 15 minutes for both sides. So basically, he wants y'all to wait until it gets brown and then flip it over, and then stuff like that.
Brown.
Yeah. So we're gonna put it all down in the link so you'll be able to see everything, word for word how to cook, some fried perch and some crackers. Not everybody know how to do it. It is a common dish, but trust me, not everybody know how to do it. And also for the shrimp pasta as well. We're gonna put everything down so you'll have everything for yourself and you can use it anytime. Yeah. So as I say, we're gonna be cooking a lot of stuff. And just send some stuff in if you want us to cook. Even if you don't send stuff in, we still gonna be cooking for y'all. So either way it goes, it's gonna be some cooking going on and a whole lot of other stuff going on. So just stay tuned, and we're gonna show y'all the finished product. Sorry, y'all, I had to take intermission. It's hot in that kitchen. But as I was saying, we're gonna be cooking a lot of stuff. So I'm also gonna be cooking stuff too. Mark's gonna be cooking stuff. We're gonna have friends cooking stuff, all type of dishes, for y'all. So just stay tuned. Yeah, just stay tuned for everything. This is going to be a vlog, a YouTube channel where it's just going to be all type of different things going on. I don't know if y'all seen my first vlog, but I don't want to be a boxed in YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? I want to be able to talk and also do a variety of things. So y'all just stay tuned. I thank you for the support, whatever support, even if you view it, even if you view it, view it, don't like it. I appreciate all of it, just for, giving me a chance. So as I told y'all, this vlog is really therapeutic. It's really like a venting thing. I always wanted to do it. So, you know, it's really, really something that I've been really debating and thinking about. So I'm excited to be doing. I'm excited to let y'all in on pieces of my life, and just, you know, just enjoy it. You know, definitely uh, comment, like, and subscribe, and just let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? It's greatly appreciated. Whatever you do. So we about to get back to this food. So stay tuned because we about to have the finished product and we about to smash. So y'all just stay tuned. In a minute. So y'all see that? Let me focus on it a little bit. Get my hot sauce, wine, you know what it is. Let's see how they look. Focus on a little bit. Y'all see that? That's how your fish supposed to come out in your pasta. Nice and flaky and seasoned. What's up, y'all? I'm about to do the first taste test. So y'all keep looking. Oh, this so good, y'all. So good. Some shrimp. It's hot. I ain't lying. It's good, y'all. It's real good. Real good. Oh. Let me try some of this fish, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go because y'all ain't gonna sit here and watch me eat this whole meal. But before I go, I wanna let y'all know we are doing a mukbang, so that's coming soon. So stay tuned, and it's gonna be probably a seafood or another mukbang. You never know what we're gonna come up with, so just stay tuned. Because as I told you, this is a vlog with different stuff, and it's gonna be an everything vlog. Let me just try this fish, and I'm gonna let y'all go. A little piece of it. Gotta put my hot sauce on it. I really need no hot sauce on this. Already seasoned good. It's good, y'all. So I'm gonna put on how to cook all of this in my link, you know, so you'll be able to see it, you know, on the subscribe button and everything. And I love y'all. Thank you. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Wear your mask. All of the above. And stay tuned.